Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about it.
Did you know this? Clarendon is a parish that is located on the south side of the island Jamaica, in the county of Middlesex. Its capital is Maypen. It has a surface area that expands 1,196 kilometers squared. Population as of 2012 is 246,322. Hanover is a parish located on the northwestern tip of the island of Jamaica. It is in the county of Cornwall. Its capital is Lucia, with a surface area of 430 kilometers squared. As of 2021, the population is 69,874. Give and take. The parish of Manchester is a parish located in west-central Jamaica, in the county of Middlesex. Its capital, Mandeville, it has a surface area that expands 830 kilometers squared. The population as of 2021, 190,812. Portland is a parish on the northeast coast of the island of Jamaica. Its capital is Port Antonio. Portland has a surface area that expands 814 kilometers squared. Population as of 2012, 82,183. St. Andrew is a parish situated in the southeast of Jamaica in the county of Surrey. Its capital is Halfway Tree. It has a surface area that expands 455 kilometers squared. Population as of 2011 is 573,369. The parish of St. Anne, Jamaica. It is situated on the north coast of the island, in the county of Middlesex. Its capital is St. Anne's Bay. It has a surface area expands 1,213 kilometers squared. 2012 population growth 173,232. St. Elizabeth, parish located in the southwest of the island Jamaica, in the county of Cornwall. Its capital, Black River, the surface area expand 1,212 kilometers squared. Population 2012, 150,993. St. Mary is a parish located in the northeast section of Jamaica, in the county of Middlesex. The capital is Port Maria. It has a surface area that expands 610 kilometers squared, with a population of 114,227 as of 2012. St. Thomas situated at the southeastern end of Jamaica, within the county of Surrey, with its capital Morant Bay. It has a surface area that expands 742.8 kilometers squared. Population 2018, 94,939. St. Catherine is a parish in the southeast of Jamaica. It is located in the county of Middlesex, with its capital, Spanish Town. It is the largest parish in Jamaica with an area of 1,192 kilometers squared. The population of St. Catherine, Jamaica as of 2021 is 518,345. Give and take. St. James is a parish, located on the northwest end of the island of Jamaica in the county of Cornwall. Its capital is Montego Bay. It has a surface area that expands 595 kilometers squared. Population 184,662 as of 2012. Trelawney is a parish in the county of Cornwall in the northwest side of Jamaica. Its capital is Falmouth. It has a surface area that expands 874 kilometers squared. Population as of 2012 75,558. Westmoreland is the westernmost parish in Jamaica, located on the south side of the island, in the county of Cornwall. Its capital is Savannah-la-Mar. It has a surface area of 807 kilometers squared. The population of Westmoreland as of 2021 is 144,817. Give and take. Kingston is the capital of the island of Jamaica. It's on the southeast coast of the island. It has a surface area that expands 480 kilometers squared. As of 2019, the population is 1.243 million. 2021, growth rate is 17%. The parishes of Jamaica were created following the English invasion of Jamaica in 1655. Jamaica has 14 parishes since 1866. May 1, 1867, Jamaica has been divided into the current 14 parishes that we have today. Jamaica is an island situated in the Caribbean Sea, spanning 10,990 square kilometers, 4,240 square miles in area. Population as of 2019 is 2.948 million. Did you know all that? Well, if you didn't know, now you know.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.